Hello guys. In this video, we are going to give you an impartial review when we are covering 5 best pizza oven outdoor in the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are trying to help you out to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. If you want more information and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, be sure to check the links in the description below. So, let's get started. Number 1. Our overall best for the money pick is Presto 03430 Pizzazz Plus Rotating Oven. Presto is one of the best home pizza ovens for the money. It is a great economical oven for home usage. This is an open system oven which supplies heat from the top and bottom. The bottom part rotates, assuring the pizza baking. Getting 2 portions heating the pizza baking is done perfectly. This is an automatic oven. You have to set a timer so it will stop cooking and turn off the heating elements. Presto saves energy 60% comparing regular oven. That is awesome. The maintenance of the oven is easy, just remove non-stick pan, clean and store again. Number 2. Our second best pick is Crocker BC 2958 CR Pizza Maker. Wondering to have one pizza maker that serves various purposes in one place like pizza, nachos, cookies, quesadillas, and more, then our next listed Crocker is the right choice for you. The pizza maker literally has one combined package of fast, fun and energy-efficient methods of making homemade pizza within a minute. Whether you bake frozen pizza, fresh dough, you will get crispy and tender textured pizza every time you bake. With minimal preparation, you can enjoy a meal with friends and family. Not only for pizza, the oven has a wide range of baking snacks like quesadillas, nachos, cookies, frittatas, quiche, and more. Number 3. Our third best pick is Oster Convection Oven with dedicated pizza drawer. This product serves you twin purpose as well, all-purpose baking oven and pizza maker. Oster Convection Oven with dedicated pizza drawer. Sometimes you try to look at a convection oven with the privilege of making pizza easily. Oster knows the needs of their customer and brings an oven with an extra drawer to bake pizza. The oven is perfect for 12-foot pizza at once, heats up to 450 F. One of the larger oven models with versatility and durability. Also made of stainless steel to enjoy the ultimate best taste of pizza anytime you want. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is Camp Chef Italia Artisan Pizza Oven. Here is our next pizza oven from Camp Chef Italia Artisan Pizza Oven. Italian artisan pizzas are famous for their delicious cuisine recipe, and now only the true essence of artisan pizza can get on this oven on your own. So, why is it late grabbing this oven in your home? The oven needs a propane tank for fueling and an easy assembly program. Just preheat and enjoy the best pizza ever you test. It is made of double-layered sealing to get the exact temperature you need, like chef preparation. Do not go too far while you start to put the crust on the oven, because it's so quick and you can change the side of the pizza with a peeler. At once you will get 10-foot pizza, which is enough to pack your belly as much as you want. Number 5. Last but not the least, our fifth best pick is Cuisinart CPO 640 Alfrescamore Portable Outdoor Pizza Oven. Cuisinart is one of the best cuisine supply brands all over the world with their promising and good quality products. Here is our next pizza oven from Cuisinart Alfrescamore Portable Outdoor Pizza Oven with a stand to ease mobility. You might be confused by the name of Alfrescamore. What is the meaning of that? It means for the love of the outside. Yes, the pizza oven is literally the love of outside, which knots friends and family together eating delicious pizza. So, grab this while you can. Be sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.
Like, comment and share our video. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more videos like this in future. Thanks for watching.